Hey guys, Isidoro with FMI here, and I'm going to show you guys quickly how we do our book now pricing. So when you get your login, this is the first screen that you're going to see. You go to the top, you click ratings. From there you go drayage. Then on the top right you'll see deep dive pricing. So in this example we're going to be doing an export, but we do cover all of North America. And we're going to click Philadelphia. And 18018. This will be an export on a high cube. So then you go ahead and press submit. Now the screen that you see here shows a lot of averages that we pull out per port. So you'll have most common accessorial charges, just for some reference, and then we have some alternate routing. So for example, if you went to Allentown instead, you could have saved a few bucks. Now everything that you see in yellow, that's going to be our rate inclusive of fuel. And then the possible accessorial charges, obviously not set in stone until the end. Now we go ahead and click book now with FMI. We're gonna go ahead, first I'm gonna show you guys, I'm gonna click book shipment. Everything that you see highlighted in orange will be the minimum data that you have to put. So we go ahead and fill that in. Go ahead and do that. And then we're gonna upload our delivery order. Go ahead and choose a file, mock export. It's also important that you upload the file once you choose it. So you upload, press book shipment, and then everything, as you can see at the top, order 961 has been created. And yeah guys, that easy, that simple.